So you can have done it.
Playing the scary maze game?
Oh, how are you gonna beat that? That looks hard.
If I try, my heart is out.
Oh!
This level is the easiest.
Can't go all the way.
This
If you're not gonna play right, then I wanna play. This looks cool.
Stop, Key.
Key!
Come on,
You messed me up.
Bobby. Don't mess him up, Key.
He bumped my hand so I couldn't move it.
No, I didn't.
Hey, Bobby, just take your time. Bobby, take your time.
I don't have any space.
You want me to show you how to use a mouse?
I don't have any space.
How? I can show
You have to go back and forth.
play.
You have to go back and forth.
Mm.
Take your time. Slow. Why are you going directly to the side?
Better for this.
Don't touch it. Slow.
Just take your time. Yeah, your dad's right.
Slow. 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 All right.
Uh-oh.
Don't touch the edge, Bobby.
Come on.
God dang it, Mr. Twist.
He keeps on talking in my ear.
Key, get up.
Okay. Move.
Give him some space. Sit there on the windowsill. You can sit on the windowsill.
Go.
You can sit on the windowsill.
Not even doing anything.
You guys gotta give him space.
What is this, anyways? It's just a game called Scary Maze.
Bobby, don't touch any sides.
I'm not. I'm sitting back where I was.
Can I go next?
Come on, Key, you can get on the windowsill. Just wait, Bobby. Bobby, God! It's not her fault.
It's your fault. How's that
Chill. Why do you have to go so hard? Slow, man. Slow.
What are we trying to do?
Slow.
Trying
Come
to
on.
get the third level? Yeah, there's only 4 levels, I think.
When you get to that red spot, you have to stop and slow. Don't touch anything.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Go back. Slow. Yes, I got those. Oh, I got
We have to do it to Mommy. We have to do it to Mommy. We have to do it to Mommy.
That is so much. Hey, that's why they call it the Scary Maze game.
What are they gonna put this on Tasha? Guys, put this on